Let's clock some pores today. Hello everybody. Oh wait, let me put some earrings in, because otherwise you have to look at my naked mole rat ears. Better. Okay, anyways, hello everybody, how are all doing today? I haven't done makeup on my YouTube channel for a very long time now, actually. I can't really remember the last time when I did it. So I thought, let's change that and let's make a makeup video. But I don't want to do like a regular makeup look. I want to do something crazy today, okay? So I thought, why not finally try out this like crazy foundation hack that I saw on TikTok like a while ago. I mean, this is like old news. I think this was like trending like 2 years ago, and I've always wanted to try it, and today is gonna be the day. Okay, so if you do not know what I mean, it is this. It's wild, I know. So let's do it! So the girl in the TikTok is Meredith Duxbury, I'm pretty sure, and she's like very famous on TikTok. She is famous because of the way she does her foundation. Like that is what popped her off, and it honestly blows my fucking mind. Like I'm not gonna it's so insane. It's I just cannot wrap my head around the fact that she puts that much like foundation or just like makeup in general on her face. I mean, she looks absolutely beautiful and she's killing it online. Like I'm not throwing any shade towards her at all, but just from like my perspective, I wear foundation, I wear concealer, and I do like makeup stuff, but I always try to put like as little as possible on my face because I don't like it when it looks like cakey. And I also don't like the feeling of like too much makeup. Like when I do my foundation, I like a quarter pump of foundation, and I only use like light to medium coverage foundations. So this is this is going to be absolutely insane, but I want to try it. So let's get some makeup. First of all, I think it will be best to just prime my face because I'm going to put about like 10 kilos of foundation on there. So I really want like a barrier between everything and my skin. So I'm gonna use a primer. This is the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Primer. Loves it. So let's put it on my face. I swear to God, this is gonna be so crazy. So I normally use like half a pump of this stuff, but since I'm channeling Meredith today, I'm gonna do like 2. Is that a lot? I don't know. Maybe more. Cute! Oh my god, this was actually already like way too much. Kind of a waste of product, to be honest. I wonder how long she does with like one foundation bottle. Because I have foundation laying in my drawer right now, which I literally have owned for like 5 years already. I mean, I should probably throw it away, but I do not want to do this. I'm like torturing myself. I've got some foundations. These are the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundations. I don't really like these because they are full coverage, and like I said, I'm more of like a natural kind of person. But they will be perfect for this look. So I'm gonna mix panna cotta and vanilla. Oh, then I can use like the spatula. She also does that. Okay. Okay, let's put it on my hands. Oh my god. Literally 4 pumps. That's fucking insane. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the panna cotta, which is like a shade darker. Oh no, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna fucking cry. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up with my spatula. Oh no. no, I really don't want to do, oh. Like, I literally used about 7 pumps of foundation and it's still less than what she puts on her face. I'm pretty sure that I did not put enough on my face, so let's just add some more. I'm not gonna half-ass it. Moment of truth. Let's do it. No. Does she really do this? Oh my god, I just all... Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I look like that dude from the ice cream commercial. No, 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 no. Okay, let me just like blend into my skin. look at my nose. Does she also like put it on her ears? Because my ears are a completely different color right now. Wait, how does she blend this in though? Does she just use her fingers? I'm just gonna remove the foundation from my lips because this is not a good look. I did not want to emphasize my yellow ass teeth. Okay, I'm gonna say something which is gonna sound absolutely crazy. But it definitely doesn't look as bad in real life as I thought it was gonna look. Does it look natural? No, obviously not. Do you want to have people standing closer than 6 feet away from you? Also no. But, like, from afar, it actually looks pretty nice. Also, this foundation, even though it's not like for me, it is a very nice foundation because you can like see how shiny it is. Like, it's full coverage, but it still makes it look like a little bit natural because it's like a sheen to it. But yeah, okay, of course we're not done because since this was not enough coverage, we are now going to add concealer. Let's blend it out. It's actually like pretty difficult to blend it in. But my face is getting some definition. I wouldn't say it's getting life because it's looking very ghostly right now. Now we're gonna go on to contour. Yeah. This is definitely not the right color on this foundation. It's way too gray. Let me use some of this to warm it up a little bit. Okay, let's try to blend this in. I wonder if she actually uses that amount of contour product, because this is very hard to blend in. She uses like way more and way darker stuff. I am still kind of confused by how this looks because it doesn't really look that much different than using like one pump of full coverage foundation. Like, I would have expected it to be very thick and cakey and gross and like crumble off of my face. But I don't know. It's like not that bad, which is strange. But yeah, anyways, let me put on some blush. And this one is from ColourPop and it's called Aviary. Yes, queen. Aviary. What does it even mean, aviary? I don't know. Who cares? That's way more blush than I would have ever put on my face, but for some reason, right now, it doesn't look like that much. Okay. God, I look like a clown, boy. I thought I didn't put that much blush on, but this is kind of insane. Wait, should I blend it out more? Should I like tone it a little bit down? I mean, no, I'm channeling Meredith today. She doesn't tone it down either, so I'm gonna go full out. Now we have to set the face. This is definitely triggering my asthma. Oh my god, this powder is actually making the makeup look way worse. Because the shine of the foundation is gone now. I can feel like the layers of foundation on my face if I move it. So now we're gonna do contour and blush again, because she likes to do it twice. So let's start with the contour. This is actually improving the look because this is like a warmer tone, so I won't look like a black and white picture anymore. I mean, I still look pretty dead though, like you can see the emptiness in my eyes. And then we're gonna do some blush. And then onto highlight. I'm using the Glazed Donut by Nikki Tutorials, my queen. Tiny brush. Dip it in the highlighter. And then put it on my face. Is that too much? I don't know, maybe it was. This is a very intense highlighter. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. My nose itches. But if I scratch it, I'm gonna scratch the layer of foundation off of my face. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Oh no. I just looked at my makeup from up close. And boy, it does not look good. Like my pores are way more visible now. Shit's intense, bruh. Shit's intense. Anyways, let's go into the eyebrows, which funny enough, she actually does like very natural eyebrows. I have like so much foundation in my brows. How does she take that off? They're like 6 shades lighter now. Should I just put product on top of it? Yeah, I think that's the best thing. Okay, so the brows are on my face and I'm slowly starting to feel like a chev. Isn't like a typical British girl with like orange foundation and like thick brows. I don't know. I'm kind of starting to feel like one. Oof. Okay, now anyways, for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do like a eyebrow, like smoky eye kind of thing. I'm just gonna keep it like simple but intense. And I'm using the Sample Beauty Equalizer Volume 2 palette, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful palette. It's a beautiful little palette if you ask me. Sometimes I wonder why I even bother with curling my lashes, because it's just gonna look like this. Like why? Why are my lashes so annoying? Anyways, onto lips. I'm gonna use a brown lip liner and a brown lipstick. And then some concealer on my lips. She really loves concealer. And I'm just gonna finish it off with a lip gloss. Oh my god, this is the final look. I do think I look kind of pretty with all the makeup on, but I also think that I look absolutely disgusting. I mean, if I would post a picture on Instagram with like a filter on top of it, nobody would honestly bat an eye. But if you would walk into me in real life right now, I think you might shit your pants. Like, it's very intense. I feel like on camera it doesn't look like that bad. It looks intense, but it doesn't look gross. But in real life, it's actually really bad because it emphasizes like literally every like spot, pore, hair on my face. It's actually insane. Wait, let me show you while I'm in sunlight. Can you see it better now? Oh, the sun is very nice. It's very hot. Hot, 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 hot. Can you see? Oh no. Oh. You can see all my pores. You can even see my mustache. Like, it looks so bad. If you were to ask me if I would ever walk out with this makeup, it will be a hard no. Obviously, Meredith loves it. Obviously, a lot of other people love wearing a full bead outside as well. For me, I don't know. I like having a full bead. Like, I like having a shit ton of makeup on, but I always try to make my base look as natural as possible. Like, so this isn't really the makeup look for me, but it was fun to try. And there's like one other thing that I'm really excited to do, and that is scratch my face and see if I can make an indent in the foundation. Okay, let's do it. No way. Oh my god. That's intense. This is very intense. If you want to see me taking all of this makeup off again, then head over to my TikTok, because I will be posting a teeny weeny video over there. Bing bing bing. I don't know what that was. It's crystallindyy, because crystallindyy already was taken by someone else. Rude. This was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao.